Dom down there?
Dom?
Yeah, right. They're gonna give you a bag of legs. Oh, shit, here you go. Slide that thing out.
You're spinning first.
I don't know if all the carts are.
I mean, they can only hit punch in like 30 seconds.
Well, 33's not, because it was just in there.
That's fine. We may have to run a couple of them.
No way.
I don't know. I don't know if we...
33 was a finishing cart.
Was it?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know.
Oh, no, it's not. I'm
No,
sorry.
that's what I'm saying. It wasn't. They already had it charging for a minute.
Yeah.
That's that maybe. Honestly, yeah, I think 33 probably hit it first, and that's why.
But your mind didn't pit.
Yeah, no, I heard him say they were penalizing him.
He's coming in last.
Me and Katie were talking.
Me and Katie and PJ were wondering if he had pitted.
Yeah, that's
Yeah, we
why
have
we
to
were
pit.
trying to.
Well, no, if they had pitted.
Oh.
I know we have to, but because Lee didn't pit either until like a minute down. I'm like, oh no.
Well, and Lee thought he had enough laps. I saw Lee was trying to get laps on everyone, and he has 1 or 2 laps.
So Lee came first?
Essentially, yeah.
What? Yeah, you guys?
You think when you hold the red flag? Yeah, that's how it works. Yeah, I know. I was letting him know.
Okay. I'm just mentioning.
What are you guys doing on penalties?
Illegal passing. Like if you're slamming, if you're bumping and running, throwing people, stealing positions, stuff like that. Not being clean. That's what gets you that penalty lap. Yeah.
I don't know. I've seen somebody get spun out of B main.
Yeah.
So there's a difference between accidentally spinning somebody and
It's
shoving them straight.
Yeah, they go boom. Here
If
you
you
go.
T-bone somebody and spin them, that's
Well, and Owen never says it, but it's up to his discretion.
technically it's
Perfect.
Oh
It's
shoot.
track marshal. It is.
Did you pit?
yeah, I pitted.
So,
You want
what's,
this?
yeah. You up yet?
Yeah.
Is that, Mark, that's blinking. Is it going or
Yep.
not?
It is.
Did you turn it on?
Yep.
Let me see. Come on.
It's on.
Okay, go.
No, it's a like a bear.
If I tried real hard, I would get around like 26 feet.
Pretty sure I have one.
Did. Is that on?
Yeah.
I did.
Hey, I'm watching that film tonight. I'm gonna go on. I'm gonna watch it tonight. It better be uploaded tonight.
It's not.
What the heck? I'm gonna get on your grandpa.
I lost a lot
I
of
have
them.
to edit it.
I thought it was uncut, unedited
Well,
video.
because it gets split up into different videos.
Hold on though.
It gets split up into different videos.
30-minute pieces, but now I did.
I
I
think
don't
he
know.
has a couple over here. Well, because he really runs. The teams don't need split though, do you? You don't split the teams up.
It's normally into 2 races. It's like they split into 2 videos.
What night or day is teen?
Huh?
What night or day is teen? What day do you guys
Tuesday
do that?
nights.
Tuesdays.
Yeah,
Like
that's
every
why Boost
first,
moves to Thursday.
the first Tuesday of the month.
It's right. It's because then the next Sunday is GP. It's teen and junior, then GP.
She broke it.
It's trying.
It's got a slow start.
Nope, she broke it.
I just wanted to come say hi.
Put your helmet on.
As soon as Katie gets out, we will definitely be able to move you.
John, Kristen, Lee, Brendan, Mitch, and Colin with the bus.
Not that great. No. Bob Evans, dude, there was like not enough. Yeah, go ahead and just kick. Once you're good, bud.
Come here.
Yeah, you're good.
There is no 6.
It's going on. Let's go Pete. In card 3. What do you have left?
Should be just number 4.
Dom.
I can't even get out yet.
I don't think you can. You have
Switch
your
it, I'll
AirPods
let you
in?
know.
I can't hear nothing.
26.
I'm happy.
No swear. He doesn't have a mic, so he's good. He can swear all he wants. Take him. Take him around. Yep, good. your penalties, Rachel. So just made you guys do that. Wait for cameras out. There's no bike.
Okay. Because you know. Thank you.
Yep. 5 on G1.
GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording.